Today I'd like to introduce our range of ultra-fast delivery solid grade laminate cubicle packs that are available directly from stock. Ultra-fast cubicle packs are suitable for use as toilet, shower or changing cubicles and designed to be finished on site to suit specific site dimensions. All cubicles are finished with satin anodised aluminium hardware. The surface of the panels can be easily cleaned and are impervious to water, bacteria and cleaning chemicals, offering a long life of maintenance. Available in a range of off-the-shelf colours, use our colour picker to customise your doors, partitions and pilasters. Stock door colours include wood, dark wood, bright green, green, mottled dark grey, grey and white, with an option of white or grey for the partition and pilasters. The metal frames are manufactured from 40 by 40mm box section steel and are available in grey as standard, with a choice of alternative frame colours available on request. A wide variety of bespoke colours are also available on an increased lead time where minimum order quantities may apply. You can see more information about our range of ultra-fast delivery SGL cubicle packs on our website or contact us using the details that follow this video.